Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Thrivery, all 27,000 of you. Hey,
Absolutely. We're just about to hit 5,000 on Spotify.
Oh, lovely.
We're like literally a week away from 5,000 on Spotify.
Okay, perfect. Because I know people are like, hi, Ankwazu Linda, mnandi jigile, ndaya ku Spotify.
Good. Good for you.
Also, what is this Ankwazu Linda business? Because there's so much stuff in between.
Like our stuff. Yeah, but you can't. It's like it's like when you have like a new person, a new talking stage, or a new interest, or whatever. You can't wait to see them again. You go and you visit them, and when you're sitting with them, you're just like, I can't wait when I see you again. But they're sitting right in front of you. The things butterflies do to us. I miss you already. But I'm right here, homie.
I'm
what?
missing you for next week. I'm missing you for the time you're not going to be here. I'm missing you.
You know what I mean? Otherwise, how you doing?
Chilled vibes, man. We had quite a week.
What a week.
And a weekend.
Mm-hmm.
We did Sibling Thing, guys. To the people who were at Sibling Thing, wow, you guys are amazing. I was going to need rende. No, ndikwabela kwa ndivuka ansiki banana. You guys were amazing. What a dope group of blings we had out on Sunday.
Absolutely.
Everything was amazing. The weather came to the party because that was one thing I was freaking out about. Abantu bafika, the people who came alone. There were so many people who came by themselves.
Absolutely.
Everyone had a good time. We had a great time with you guys as well.
Had the time of our lives.
100%. It was so good. So a big shout out to you guys for coming and for just making it an experience that we feel like we need to have again as well.
Yeah, no, definitely. Guys, now I share Talita's exact same sentiments. Being asking a peli. It was so nice. It was so intimate. You guys are so friendly. You guys are so knowledgeable.
Oh, yes.
You guys are everything. I think, massive shout out to everyone who came through on the day. We had an incredible day.
We really did. It was like perfect. I was thinking back and I was just like, what would I have changed about that day? And I was just like, nothing?
Really? You wouldn't have changed anything on the day? Ay, Talita.
What would you have changed? You don't want to get involved.
No, I don't want to get involved.
Why?
Because it was really cool.
It was perfect,
Yeah,
literally. And events don't go in a perfect way, but it was really good.
Yeah, no, definitely. So I think, massive shout out to Mary Mwale.
Oh.
Siphumelele Shay.
Oh.
Ntando Dube.
Yes.
Sibongile Mqakai.
Hello.
Thato Faku. Yolisa Mayaba.
Hey, bemafuna umbono Yolisa pha.
Rifilwe Tsotetsi. Nosipho Mnguni. Sibusisiwe khulu. Vuyiseka Vokwana. Zabi Makhiwane. Lerato Nkholise. Chichi Miti Longwe. Limpo or Dimpo Kuzwayo spent with the L, ne?
Dimpo, yeah.
Asithethe nothetha ke ngophumeza mlada no sinomhlobo Cumbi. Ombali Faku go without saying. We see you Thobeka Mpanza. Pamela Molosiwa, Juanita Molosiwa, Lindela Ngwane, Anele Gwabaza, Zingisa Ndwana,
yes.
Nobuhle Khalalelo, Nolwazi, hey, Ndlandla, Mzubela, Dumela Motsiari, Ze Duma. Guys, bekukhona noviwe Sokhatsha.
Viwe.
Ehamba noLikho Sokhatsha. Uthandeka Mahlangu ebekhona kunye noThandiwe Thembani, Amanda Mshwanyela, Yonela Rhwexwana. Noyonela Rhwexwana uze kabini because kamatikiti akhe mabini apho. Thandokazi Maseti Nombuyiselo Dziba. Phelokazi Mkhiva Silindile Nqala. Nqala. Silindile Nqala.
Ewe.
Yes. Wenzile Mthethwa. Samukelisiwe Mthethwa. Achumile Jojozi, Lizeka Dana, Zaza Mahlakalo, and last but not least, Nondogozo Kwala. Cacile ba awulilo wena cho.
Intoni kwa.
Ewe kaloku. Guys, shout out to you.
Yeah, man. I mean, there was like mad girls and like 3 men there.
Yeah.
And we were having this conversation about like, kutheni ijebu zingazithenga amatikiti to izinto.
Braz, kutheni ngazi? Kutheni ngathenga amati? Beniphi?
We bras beniphi?
Beniphi? But ke lamadoda bekhona animele shema ndifuna uxoxa. But question is beniphi?
Yeah.
Ladies, bebepho brother benu. Beziphi partners zenu? Baphi beziphi work husband zenu? Jalo njalo. Like that is such a crazy phenomenon. Now and understand but where are the boys?
We're not. You go to stuff though. This is the thing.
Yeah. I'm one of those guys.
Yeah.
So it's just very, very interesting. If anyone could solve that mystery, I'd be forever appreciative.
Yeah, because it's not like, I know ladies are always like, oh, where can we go? Where can we go? And they're more than willing to try something out for the first time. But a lot of the times when you go to izinto that require tickets and require for you to take your this specific time out of your day to do something, there won't be any men there. Or there'll be very few guys there. Yeah, I wonder. Nenza ntoni ke weekends zenu nina?
Woman bros, and Westbek kone bill ke pha bacaba ke sibaleke bill. There was just good vibes and good times, man.
100%.
Yeah, so absolutely shout out to you guys. Shout out to the guys that were on the organizing committee.
Ewe.
Siyabulela kakhulu. Khanyisa Vokwana bese ndikubi hayi unali ticket. Thanksili ticket John. Khanyisa Yolisa as well, who was there, Sposh as well, and everyone who just gave a helping hand. Special shout out to the venue, Case in Point Studios.
Yeah.
What?
For real.
Dog.
Yeah.
So,
and mas giftile nos gifta ke Case in Point.
Man. Guys, Thixo mkhulu man.
So, you guys will obviously be seeing that a little bit later.
Yep.
Because obviously we had to take the cameras to shoot.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but we had a great time. Ngosini, guys, it was super amazing.
Yeah, no, shout out to you guys. And we hope you have caught the special episode by now. There's a special episode that we have up for you guys.
Oh, yes. On Spotify.
Yeah. Spotify peeps. There's something special for you up there on Spotify that we definitely think you want to have a look at.
Yes.
Especially for those Bebekate City. An hour is too short. Okay.
Oh, yes. It was way longer than an hour. We do have a special episode with Daddy. And Kutalani sitting in Funumbona. We eventually
absolutely
had him in the studio.
Yeah.
So catch that on Spotify, please, if you can. So Pinas Born Baso Begani go YouTube.
For some men, I'll see what I can do.
Otherwise, that was, I mean, if anyone had to ask me how was my week, that's the last thing I can remember about it, and it was really amazing.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think it was a big part of my week last week. And then you disappeared after it finished. Enjoy vibes.
Yes. Ben And I was exhausted. I was finished. Yeah. I was.
Explain but no. Italy's got this way smaller social.
Explain I was eating the one time I was away. When I left. Yeah. Oh, no.
I was just like, no, it's social battery. There's a battery. $99 power bank for social battery.
No, I was cold and I was tired.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, I stayed for a while.
Okay.
Yeah. How long did you guys stay for?
I mean, I left at 2.
In the morning. Never.
I left at 2, bro.
Oh, I was on my 15th trip. Yo, you guys stayed long.
Oh, we
When in
chilled.
Godol, did you guys move inside?
We moved inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we moved inside.
No, because when I was still there, and I was like, "Ngabantu batheni bangafuna ukugoduka."
Abantu besafuna to savor in the moment,
The
you know,
spirit of
and
things.
you know what I mean.
Spirit of the earth.
Yeah, abantu bangabuxabisanga ukulala.
Yo, I
But,
did man.
yeah,
I was
so,
tired, bro.
yeah.
I was really tired. I'm glad that you guys stayed. Beningabaninzanga though, also.
Yeah, besingekho baninzi. Other guys went home and then we just decided to chill.
Cool. Enough of that.
Yeah.
You have a rah for me, apparently.
I do have a rai for you.
Let's get into the Xhosaness of it all.
Esibhekwa nje. Yo, my son.
Did anyone remember Njingos' name? I remember.
Yes.
So we played a game with people. Oh, some people remembered.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
definitely.
The Xhosaness of it all.
Dog. So irai ke, I got it from a bling.
Oh, lovely.
Got it from a bling in my inbox. So thank you so much for it. Siso Esi Abraham. Or Abraham. Gosh. I hate doing this because now the thoughts that I have in my mind, I put them out here and now it sounds like I'm being funny. Siso Esi on Instagram sent us this.
Wait, let me focus. Okay.
Okay. Oh, you're channeling your inner smarty pants.
Yeah, because I've been on such a good run. So I'm like, oh, I hope it keeps on going.
100%. He says he thought of this rai while playing with his nieces and nephews.
Oh, cute.
Rai. Dinando yam evuka xa ndilalayo. Ikhatshwa ziitshomi ezininzi azinakubalwa. Ichincha mihla namihla yintoni?
Evuka xa ndilalayo.
Yes, evuka xa ndilalayo ikhatshwa ziitshomi zayo eziliqhuba. Soloko hamba namaqhuba Talita. Amaqhuba etshomi. Ichincha mihla namihla yintoni?
Dreams.
Let me know if you want a hint. Definitely not a dreams. Dreams zakho zilala xa uvuka. Zivuka xa ulala.
Because I'm not dreaming during the day.
Oh, fair. Yeah, inetshomi ezininzi dreams zakho.
But look, there's more than one.
Chincha mihla namihla.
Exactly.
Oh. Okay, Madlamini.
Okay, give me a clue then.
Iklu ithi ne ngamanye amaxesha andikho nobakho kodwa iitshomi zam zisavela.
Yes, chomes. Ithini category? Kaloku siza nge-categories.
Izinto ze-nature. Well done, Siso. You've cracked this one. In 5, 4.
Ukukhona. I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Ntoni iitshomi zesnoring zakho?
Ezazi khona kancini. Okay, no, I give up.
It's the moon. You were very close though when you said dreams.
Oh man.
Yes.
I don't think
Nyanga.
outside of it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Because each of me is stars.
Correct.
Okay. So read it again then.
Rai. Dinanto yam. Xa ndilala.
Ivuka xa
Dinando yam evuka xa ndilalayo. Ikhatshwa ziitshomi ezininzi
Yeah.
azinakubalwa. I thought that was going to be a giveaway. Chomi ezininzi azinakubalwa.
So you didn't
can't count the stars.
say it.
I did.
Oh.
Yeah. Can rewind?
Andizukwazi.
Ichincha mihla namihla yintoni?
Oh, ichincha because it's never
Full
the same
moon,
size.
quarter moon, and then the
Yeah.
hint was sometimes naxa ndingabonakali iitshomi zam zikhona.
Okay.
So sometimes,
All right.
yeah.
That was a good one. Well
That
done.
was a great one.
That was a really good
yeah,
one.
yeah,
No, well done. Hey, Nina. Yazi nandichaze.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, if you have a rai okwazi uyicingga, uzicingele, please send it to us and we'll read it out and hopefully one of us will get it right.
Yeah.
Do you think you would have gotten it if you weren't reading it?
No. I tried to figure it out.
Oh, okay.
And now I was just like, and I guess it's easy to say, but and CD in Dinetomia's needs, and then it's easy to be like, that's kind of like a hint, but that's because I know the answer. So it's
Yeah,
kind of
sure.
a little bit unfair.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. Well done. Well done.
Yeah, no, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Yeah, bo. Hey, it was namhlanje for a change, discuss before this episode. And it's clicking to me as we're talking, but what on earth are we going to talk about? So, what do you think, Talita?
What was your plan?
I didn't have a plan. I was so late. I was rushing here. I was just...
But
I'm
ngoku
wrong.
besithetha ngefowuni.
Yeah. Ngoku besithetha ngefowuni sizama udecide.
Yeah.
Ndiye ndadecide uba ikhona itopic that was written by one of the blings that I kind of saw.
Okay.
And I thought maybe we should give it a bash.
Okay.
I'm looking for it now. And it's the one... I found it a little bit funny. And it's the one that says... So we asked, at the sibling thing, we asked people to write down topics that they wanted us to potentially discuss.
Yes.
You understand? And then I can see it in your eyes. You're looking at me like you're worried. So we took those topics that I came chana scissors, that is topics and scissors, Ritua. And the topic is why do men want to be passenger princess?
Why wouldn't you want to be a passenger princess? Well, okay. Why are you laughing? Because you thought it was funny.
I thought it
Mamela.
was extremely funny because I just pictured whoever wrote that. Utigiwe. Kaba yena,
passenger
utigiwe.
princess yakhe.
Utigiwe finish the passenger princess yakhe. Right? And in the same breath, I wanted to then, I thought to Guti, you know what? We can sort of even link it with the whole, and I mentioned this at the sibling thing as well, with the whole, I'm just a girl, checked.
Okay.
Which makes me want to rip the skin off my body.
Why?
Because I feel like it's the world's biggest cop-out.
Cop out for what?
For not wanting to do something. For not wanting to do something. But I also do feel like your effect that it has on just a general outlook
Of life.
Yes.
Okay.
Because with certain things, then okay, let me start. Let me structure it ngolhlobo.
Yeah, let you cook.
You understand? Miyekena pheke. So there's this thing that happens when you are talking to people in discussion, whatever, and some of the time people will say, "Oh, I'm just a girl." You understand? Do you do that?
Well, just joking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that brings up my B question. Is serious lendo? Okanye, is it just a conversation filler?
Do you know what I think? I think that sometimes, I don't think it's serious, ne? But inabubu serious.
Okay.
I don't think when people say it, they're saying it in a serious way. But inabubu serious is because we're all adults, right? And, well, most of us. And zikhona izinto that, and since izinto ezininzi are responsible for this, funeka uyovasa imoto nge-weekend, funeka ubhatala into ethile, funeka ungayilibali into kamakazi ubani, and you're like, there's so many things that you have to like think of, right? That guess you mean you're just like, you know what? At the end of the day, I am just a girl. Yes, I might be an adult, but okusalayo, I'm just a girl, bruh.
Okay, and then so what?
Funeka yazi yonke into about everything, take care of, and so uyasizela fondini as just a girl loba kodwa ndingumntana womntu nam.
Now, lusizi that you are trying to pass on to me as well as the person listening to you saying that you're just a girl, so that I'm just like, oh, shame, she is just a girl.
Yes. Or
whatever the thing is. So it's you trying to cop out of a particular responsibility.
I don't like the choice of your words.
Cop out.
Yes.
Okay, it's you. Okay. Let me change that. It's you trying to not be responsible for something that you should be.
I don't know. I think you can do better with your words.
I don't like your attitude.
I don't like your attitude, Mr.
So okay, what is it then? It's you wanting what?
Usizi.
Usizi ka. Oh, shame. I don't necessarily. I feel pressure when someone says to me, "I'm just a girl."
You feel pressures to do something.
Do the thing.
Oh, that's on you, sir. I'm sorry, that's on
Because
you.
and you know, I'm just a girl. Come you guys can menzela, but depending on
Because you have
ngekho
season.
for umenzela. Ikhona nye Mac ezafuna umenzela lo mntu lento, and maybe he doesn't have good intentions. So if ke ngoku what? You understand?
Okay.
People can use that to take advantage of you. So ndiye ndimoyikisele umuntu sometimes.
How are you using that to take advantage? Okay, so let's say we making good intentions.
Yeah.
And I'm just the girl.
Yeah.
So now I'm saying to you, I'm just a girl.
No, it's fine. Let me do it for you.
Okay, so
Then you owe me.
Oh.
What?
Oh,
Who would do anything for anyone for vibes?
you.
No.
So when I close it, so I'm not good intentions now.
But now I'm like, I'm hoping by at some point you're gonna pay me back le favor and Gwenza Lion.
So manje guys mna andinalo xesha lolenza into ezininzi. Unibona nje imoto yami inje. It's
Yeah.
cause like I'm just a girl, guys. Ezinye izinto I don't have the capacity for them.
Okay.
And then if we're now okay, mntasekhaya, let me take this car to the car wash for you. What are you hoping for? Bangenye imini nami I'll take.
Ungandenzela something Fondini. Ngenye imini ungandiboleka le moto le ndiyisa ecar wash nsuku nantsuku. Ngenye imini na ungazi unigalelele ipetrol if ndigalele
Jani
ipetrol.
just a girl.
Because nam kaloku you must remember ukuthi nam I've got the same thing and I can say I'm just a boy, but it's unacceptable ke ngoku. Then ke ngoku ndiyimorhu yomhlaba ke ngoku because
No,
what
no,
did you just say? You like if you were to say something, what did you just say? No, I'm just a boy. That's why imoto yam ingathi ili-clocks ngaphakathi ingathi ihoko because I'm just a boy. No, clean your car, mate. Be responsible.
But that's not a real thing. I'm just a boy is not a real thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
it should be then.
no.
Okay, then ke
Make up your own
I'm
thing.
just a girl.
No. Hold on there, mate. Sanuskopa look ngiba sine phrase that pays. Telling iskopa is that a phrase yenu.
Guys, mna I feel
And
like
nifuna uba ziboys and nifuna uba ngamadoda.
I'm just a man. That doesn't work.
Exactly.
I'm a mere mortal.
Exactly. I'm a mere mortal works way better than I'm just a boy, that's for sure.
Yeah. But ke, for me, it also, I feel like Ian disempowerisha. I'm just a girl.
Andifuna uba yini
Because
power.
mna ndiyayithatha mna ndiyigqithisele loo nto leyo uba oh hayi wethu anyways I need no consultant, she's just a girl anyways.
Kaloku zikhona instances where I'm just a girl.
You see now. You see, it gets a little bit tricky.
For who?
For us people who have to listen to it.
The thing is,
Boring and tricky, sorry.
you also have a choice though to do nothing.
And listen to you. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl.
where it's so- it's so dlula.
My nature as a problem solver does not allow for me to just do that. Which is why I struggle to even listen to a person venting. Because I'm just like, dog, mgobe ngembama uboss wakho iphelele le mithetho. Do you know what I mean? Or tell your mom where to get off. Or whatever, you know? Break up with that person. Abe umntu esithi, I just want to vent.
Okay, so you have that issue though. This is another thing.
Correct. Of which I feel like I'm not the only person. You know, when you feel something, you must always know that you're not the only person to feel it or go through it. But I find it a dangerous statement.
Or it's a statement that's just to be taken in jest also.
Okay.
Umntu xa esitsho uyatsho. Basically what they're saying is like, oh, izinto ziningi
This
and
is a
mina
lot.
ngiyi-one. I feel like that's exactly the same thing as that. Saying I'm just a girl is exactly the same as saying into zininzi and mina ngiyi-one.
Okay. So then go after that. Funeke kuthini? Kungenzeki into.
There doesn't have to be after that, Fondini. I'm just expressing frustration of ba ndindondonganyelwe Fondini izinto.
Okay.
So umuntu ufuneka angayitsho.
I struggle so much, bro, because I feel like funny. I don't know, again, wrong. Okay, I'm admitting bandi wrong.
Okay.
Ne? I'm wrong. Ne?
Nice.
But I would like you to entertain
Capture
me.
this in HD, Jess.
I'd like you to entertain me go bubu wrong bam.
Okay.
Ne?
Mm.
Now I feel like I can say that and the world is not going to work out for me at all.
No. And the thing is, saying that doesn't mean umuntu xa esithi I'm just a girl. Akathi ba fix my problems.
Uti focus must be on the fact that I'm just a girl.
Uthi yo
Mandopulelwe.
kuningi dog, kuningi bro. And I'm just a girl. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying fix my problems. I'm just saying I'm overwhelmed currently.
And don't you feel like saying I'm just a girl is just adding to you being overwhelmed? Instead of saying, okay, I'm a human and I have to do this mandiense.
Why, sana? It's in the... So singa complain, singa joba.
Yes! Don't complain. What does complaining help you with?
Relieves the stress kancane nje. Andithi uthe wena. Tethani gents.
Yeah.
Talk.
Yeah.
And a lot of the time talking is complaining.
I don't think it should be. I think complaining.
So we shouldn't complain ever.
It sends a negative. It affects our outlook on life. It affects our experiences. Have you ever seen when you go through something complaining and vis-a-vis when you go through something with a positive outlook, it completely changes the experience.
Mm.
You know what? No. A, it'll probably take you shorter to do.
Yeah.
You'll probably go through it with less stress. And it will just, I don't want to go as far as to say it will be a pleasure, but it will be okay.
More
and and then it's going to be fine. Now, I feel like we just drag ourselves through the mud by doing it. Please.
So I'll complain whenever.
Of course I do.
Oh.
I don't think
Why do you complain?
There's a lot of things that I do that I shouldn't do.
Why do
many.
you complain?
Eh?
Why do you complain?
Because the negative human nature side of me takes over. Ian Greba, and then it takes over, and then but I've also realized that it also messes with my experiences.
Okay, fine. Haven't you ever found that once you've complained about something and then somebody else goes, "Hey, man, yo, you kind of feel a little relief somehow, where you're just like, yeah, and him there who's going through this nonsense."
Yes, but it's Dim Dad who's going through this nonsense because I'm the only one who's experiencing it like I'm experiencing.
Sure.
And them identifying with me makes me feel like, oh, I right can't get because
So
now you're
identifier.
And then it doesn't do anything with regard to actually touching the problem. It doesn't touch the problem at all. Ayikukumisa problem.
Yeah, but you're not always trying to tukumisa the problem.
Why not?
Sometimes you want to vent, dog.
Yeah.
Ukhuphe kuwe.
If you fix the problem, then you don't have anything to vent about.
Fonini, if Ngibawula ngemaiva. My first maiva ever. Fonini, if let's say kunethile last week kwanetha kokoko iveki yonke, and then this week my road home is full of potholes.
Yeah.
Right? I can't do anything about those potholes. Nah.
Yeah.
But I can say, potholes as you're on my way home, zininzi mchana umntu ufuneka ahambe ngo-5.
Yeah.
Otherwise ongena kwi-pothole. And that is a frustration I'm having, that I'm letting go of via mouth because it's something I can do nothing about.
Uyabona iyabalisa ngoku awucomplain.
You're complaining.
Oh, I hate that there's potholes. Yo, I'm Satan and there's potholes.
Yes.
You've just made a solution to say, but ndifune ndiphume ngo-5. Okay, cool, sharp. Umnandi ke
5 kilometers an hour. That's not what I meant. That's what I meant. I didn't mean to pull out 5 is fine. I said flicking up slowly. So I'm just saying, you're basically saying, so the things that you can do nothing about, zikhona and zininzi also. So funeka singazithethi.
How is that helping you?
The
The problem yam is that we don't often put a complaint and a solution in the same sentence.
Yeah, because
We get
sometimes
stuck.
there's no
We get
solutions.
stuck. Sometimes there are solutions,
Yeah,
but
sure.
because we are so stuck in the complaint.
So ezi zinto zingena solutions masingazithethe izona.
Ngazithetha ke. But ke ikhona isolution. Khona isolution.
Ithini solution ye-potholes?
Wake up earlier, bro.
So that
you've got enough time to get to work.
no, but that's not my problem.
What's
My
your
problem is not getting to work. My problem is ofuneka ndidake and dive.
Okay.
And now they've been there for a week and nothing's happened. Now they've been there for 2 weeks.
That's your
and
reality,
nobody's-
my love. Deal with
Yes,
it.
so I mustn't talk about it.
I mean, I don't get it. Andicate.
Yeah,
I andicate.
strict zokondima.
Duh. So, like,
and this
we
is
know
one
this.
of those things.
Okay, that's
that
fine.
you're strict about.
But also, masiyeke
is
ma
on-
le potholes, masiyeke le potholes.
Yeah.
Let's talk, because ke umntu akathi i-potholes ezingakam just a girl. Umntu uthi, "Wow,
people do
I
say
have
that.
it's usually something that I have to do endingafuni uyenza, therefore I'm just a
Efana
girl."
nantoni yenze example.
Whatever, washing your car. We've made the example.
Okay.
Taking your car to the car wash, taking your car for service, buying tires, paying for the bill, doing
Yes.
whatever.
And Oksalayo, what's going to happen is you're going to do all of these things.
Okay. Then how's about to do them without complaining?
So just shut up and get on with it.
I'm just saying it's also highly
That's what
possible.
you're saying?
No, I'm saying it's highly possible and it can potentially even make your experience better to do it without complaining. I'm saying, ukomplaina, no shitlis, no, I'm just a girl. And being a victim does not help.
So I feel like you're taking I'm just a girl too seriously.
Kaloku, that's why I've been
Oh,
because I'm
okay.
trying to understand.
Oh, okay.
Bayithetha ukuthini loo nto leyo.
Oh,
You understand?
aye.
To me, I'm trying to absolve myself of this responsibility.
Oh no, I don't
Okay.
think that's what it is. I would like to absolve myself of this responsibility, but I know
So
that
would we all.
yeah, exactly. But I know it's not going to happen because like ndindedwa for nini, I need to take care of my life.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I know that. for sure.
And because I'm always just thinking about shame, this poor person who's got all the ability but refuses to exercise it. What a ugly life that they must have, that they have created. Because they are human and they can do these things. They must just do them. And life will be better.
Uke wathi omnye umntu oyichomi yakho omazi wedwa. Because you didn't tell us bangubani.
Okay.
Uke wathi supamela yonke into nawe man. Yabo? Sumamela yonke into,
Yeah.
not yonke into needs input yakho, not yonke into
Needs
needs
your attention.
your attention, not yonke into needs a solution from you. Sometimes we're just venting and we vent as human beings in general.
Okay. No, that's fine.
Is it though?
Yeah. The problem comes when now I have to do the work to try and figure out whether you are venting or you are not venting. Because chances are, and get the whatever law says, chances are the thing that you are serious about,
Okay.
you understand?
Look, I always feel like if somebody really needs a solution to a problem, they'll come at you as someone who needs a solution to a problem, not nje.
Okay.
Athethe nje. If ndinengxaki, I'll be like, chomi yam ngicela undincede ngale nto. I'm not just going to be like,
No, but I don't know
I'm
how
just
to ask for
thinking.
help.
Okay. And that's me. That's who I am. I don't know how to ask for help.
Correct.
Yeah.
So then,
But is into that I need help with, I don't even mention them.
you don't even mention them
In passing. Yeah.
under I'm just
under
a
the
girl,
guise of
yeah, thula cha, ufela ngaphakathi.
yeah.
How's that working for you, darling?
Not great.
Okay, so what's the plan?
I'm trying.
Okay. But yeah, it's not things. So you don't even go as far as to complain about them. Ezondo that you do need help with.
No.
Yo, that's so dangerous. That's so very dangerous. Because now these things are sitting there growing and nothing's happening.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why I have that issue also, because I feel like that would help to get to the why.
maybe let's go into your childhood. Was there a time when you asked someone for something and they didn't do it? Then that morphed over the years into you thinking that no one is there for you and to save you and you need to do it yourself. Or
You're
it's
on
not
your
gonna
own
get
though,
done.
dog, is what you are though.
But you know it's gone. Stop it.
Yeah, but I feel like I don't want to burden people with my problems because unengxaki zakho.
Let me tell you that you're burdening me, my darling.
Well, people don't say that. People don't say, "Oh, I feel
Ask them.
I feel burdened."
Ask
But
them.
also, people feel bad for not
Absolutely.
helping.
Now yasibulala fundi. Now yasibulala, brah. Because this is the thing. And my whole thing is never then talk about that situation. But hey, ndalala phansi kweblorho for 2 months. And I'm like, bad guy, there's a Puma studio.
Speaking of which, that is currently one of my problems. Itengisiwe la ndawo ndihlala kuyo.
It's fine, Kokala. Call any back room, pakum.
Akubandi kla.
Ah, for the light heat. Do you understand?
Go.
Do you understand? But what I'm saying is, then don't tell us about it. Like say idlulile and tell us how you struggled through it. Because as recently as bloom. It's like us kataling was like we're not there for you.
Yeah, that's a bit of a tough one.
Yes.
Kaloku, when I'm talking about it now, it's because it's done. And it's idlulile lando.
Sifisa kabuhlungu. What about us? Sifisa kabuhlungu. It's not nice to hear that. Just like it wouldn't be nice for you to hear bamna that intini that things umzimba whatever.
Awatengo.
In order to fix an issue that you could have provided some input on.
Sumthengisa.
You understand?
Yeah.
And you could have helped me. Now my experience with that, right? Is that's a very refreshing side of it.
What?
Labor, you don't like to ask for help.
Yeah.
Right? And for the reasons that you don't like to ask for help. Because you don't want to feel like a burden. No. And there's another group of people who also don't want to ask for help because they don't want to have to do something
In
about
return.
that situation. No, about that particular situation.
Oh, they don't want to fix
Yes.
the bad situation they're in.
They do want to fix the situation, but I don't want to have to perform certain actions.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm.
It's okay for me to say, I'm not anamsebenzi. No. Cha namazi utalete uzandibuza BP
So it is not
and now I have to go ndiyokwenza isivi. And andifuna uyenza isivi.
That's
Ndiyafuna uphangela.
Yeah,
But
no.
andifuna uyenza
Well,
isivi. You understand? Ndiyafuna ukwazi ubhatala irent, but andifuna uyeka usela. You understand? Or you understand? Ndaboleka imali, but ndiyayazi uba umzuphela uzawuthi kum. Iza nantoni? Iza ne-bank statement. Sicheck uba imali yakhe yaphi. Now, I'm not going to be able to spend money on the things that I spend on.
yeah, I mean, that's all just accountability. And if you don't want to
Correct.
be accountable, awunokwazi uba sisaram somntu
Yes.
at the end of it. Uthi ba,
100%. So that's leno sitsho uba mna part 2 ke ngoku loo nto leyo. Le part I find it more interesting because it's not so cut and dry but I don't want to be a burden. Which just kind of like then makes you suffer as the person and ultimately the people
yeah,
around
I'm
you
suffering
as
with
well.
my problem. That's normal.
But ke ngoku nathi siyasafarisha ke ngoku xa usovela ke ngoku after a while.
Yeah, look, that's a bit of a tough one. Because I'm trying to think if ndiyabalisa of the hardship after the fact.
Abani ndazi. Yakwazi ulala phansi kweblorho. What do you mean yakwalala phansi? For the past 2 months okulala phansi. Then you start crying. I just bugele utyana on the run. What? Do you know what I mean?
No, I
And
hear
because a
you.
lot of people like to also use the suffering as a trophy.
No, 100%. And I don't think my suffering is definitely not a trophy.
Okay.
Excuse me. I definitely, like, I'll be like, come on, bro, just ask someone. Like, I know someone's got a
You're
solution.
having this
for
conversation with yourself.
Yes, with
Oh,
myself.
no, Talita.
Yeah. I mean, look, it's it's nothing. It's nothing that you should feel sorry about. But like, I'm just like, I know that it's something I struggle with, and I mean, we all have our struggles that we can fix, right? And that's just one of mine.
Okay.
And I don't feel bad about it being a struggle for me. I'm not like, oh no, my struggle is that I don't ask.
Okay,
No, I'm just
sure.
like,
How do you feel then about people coming on the back of that at the solve of that struggle and feeling bad because you didn't say anything?
I feel bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you feel like it would be also a form of showing your care to share those problems so that they don't have to feel like that at the end of it? Not you rolling your eyes like that. What?
The thing is, awubacingela abanye abantu
Fine.
ba they're going to feel
Yeah.
bad at
Yeah.
the end of
Yeah.
it. Wena usacinga ingxaki yakho.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm not thinking about, oh, if this ever comes out,
Yeah.
then Zubella's going to feel bad, then that's going to make me feel
Sure.
bad. I don't think that far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now, so what I'm imploring you to do is to, what if you were to try and think that far when you are going through the problem, or am I asking for too much?
No. Which is why I said I think coming closer to the solve of the issue that I have would be figuring out why I have that issue.
Sure.
Yeah.
But then also while you are waiting to find out why, this is the thing.
God,
No, because my thinking is like this, like yes, there's the effort to try and find out why. But what happens now, where's the stopgap between me starting to try and figure out why and me figuring out why? Then what happens? Because izimoko zona zipheli. Ingxaki is it, and people are getting hurt. I'm getting hurt. Songa is hurt. Funny enough, I don't know what my relationship is with asking for help.
Yeah. Think about that.
I don't know what my relationship is with it. I don't know.
I don't think you ask for help. I think your relationship with it is the same as mine.
But why ningasafarish?
What do you mean?
Like, I don't feel like I'm getting safarish and getting go through things, and I'm like, why can't I?
I'll go. Don't you ever go through it?
No, bro.
I'll go.
Wafunza kowelani. Inamani indolin kowisayo. Then can go. What can I do about Lendin kowisayo? Diko went J for vibes just to go. Do you know how I hate feeling off and how I hate feeling bad?
Yeah.
Ingaske this jule pansi.
Yeah.
I don't like feeling like that.
Yeah.
So I do everything in order to try and avoid it.
Okay.
And me doing everything to try and avoid it is usually going to help me to get over it and solve it.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. And that's something that you can do is to solve it, right? But what about asking for help? Do you ask for help?
Hey, there's very few things that I'll ask for help for. And that's simply because I'm just like, there's nothing I can do. I've explored all my options.
And so it's the last
resort.
resort, yeah.
But I will ask for help before they go. So for me, it's issue followed by what are my options? Explore. Okay, there's nothing that I can do. Okay, Ugoa is eminent. Can't tell uncedo once. Because there's a more avoid Ugoa. Because I'm very uncomfortable going. I don't know how to go. Like the thini, the lala, but no lala. I feel bad because I'm like, but I could be doing something.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So Ugoa is not even on the cards.
Oh, that's wild.
It's not on the cards. To me, before Ugoa is asking for help, before that is doing everything that I can think of doing.
Okay. So we might not say.
Yeah, I think even though, okay, I mean, but then that's an entirely different chat in terms of when to ask for help. Because bakhona abantu who are very comfortable asking for help, but uzakcela help shady.
Charlie.
But he called me at 6:30 to wake me. Who said, Puti? Who said the alarm? He called the alarm. Very much the same thing in terms of how you can arrange
Is that a
the
real
sound.
example?
Or you can ask for help. Can't pay malo pangela. You understand?
Yeah.
You're like, everyone's overdraft song. You know what I mean? When you must be ultimately comfortable, super comfortable as the person who's asking for help, and everyone else then must be maybe slightly inconvenienced or slightly uncomfortable.
Aboyiki kaloku aba bantu.
Ile nto
ask
ke, but that's the opposite end.
Yeah.
Umntu ask help for yongindo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand,
Yeah.
which then becomes the complete opposite side of it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's a hard one.
Yeah.
Because uzotini. So if somebody asks you for something that you can see they can solve on their own, utini wena.
Yeah, true.
Utini, okay.
Okay.
Yenza look icho.
Set the alarm down. The alarm is child because set the alarm.
Hey.
Indangam teni thetha ngolo hlobo.
Kaloku umntu sometimes umbona ngolo hlobo xa uqomba hayi bo into uyibuzayo wena umbona njengomntu othetha hayi kaloku mna ndiske ndisnuza kokoko.
That is hardly okay. You make it across
Yeah,
the
but
room.
this is my
Put it
problem.
across the room. Put your phone across the room
Oh, this is
so
your
that you have to get up and go and snooze it. If Gabriela betting, my phone call wasn't gonna touch sides. With
Okay,
you.
maybe that's a bad example also.
Bebo.
A tough one, yeah.
Yes. Or I don't earn enough. This is my favorite example. I don't earn enough. Okay, sharp. Nancy thousands like Nick.
Uzoyibuyisela
Ngenyanga
njani?
esithathu. I think it's an bank statement.
Yeah, Kesbon, but where does your problem lie?
Because I'm staying 1,000 rand out of budget.
For you.
For when?
We're now busy. You are betting on horses.
We
Well,
understand. Yeah, we understand. When was amunyusa imali yakho udlala ubetway. Or whatever the case may be.
Yeah,
Or at least
true.
we'll be able to find that truth.
Well, yeah, that's if somebody allows you to, because people know how to hide stuff as well.
People know how to hide stuff, and
Yeah.
very often that person who's a velatini, I know so what.
It's cool, don't worry, I got it.
Yeah. Fake friends. I am posting a fake friends.
Do adults still do that?
Yeah.
Subtweets. Izinto
Yeah.
No, they do. No. Usibone wena upha kwesa status and you're like, is this for me? But you'll never ask. Like, I won't ask.
Oh, also, if you do ask, I'll never say, it's for you.
No, true.
That defeats the whole purpose.
Yeah, for sure. Sanu, subtweeter.
Ne.
Funengxaki yakus.
I'm doing straight.
I'm doing straight. Ayinzima lo
Yeah, no,
nto.
that's the most difficult thing on this planet. Bali message, man. Uyithumele komnye umntu umbuza uyiva njani wena and then you can send it to the other person just to double check yourself because sometimes nyani you can
Yeah, sometimes
get
we're
in trouble.
out. Yeah.
Sometimes go wrong nyani.
Yeah.
But I also think that back to the original conversation is why I'm at the time.
Oh, we haven't even spoken about that. When I feel like the men in my life have never wanted to. Bafuna ukwenza, like they want to, like, I'll drive.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't have an example of indoda endiyaziyo efuna uba
passenger
passenger princess.
princess.
Ufuna uba passenger princess one?
I mean, it's nice from time to time.
Yeah, but you're always taking up the initiative to not be a passenger princess.
100%.
Why?
Because that's what I feel like I should be doing.
Because why?
Because
You're indoda.
Mm.
Oh, come on.
Fundini. And I should be doing this. And it's really like, it's what I must do. It's just one of those things that I don't know, I guess.
I party gagbi though.
Indon?
It's just one of those things I need to do.
No.
Oh.
Also, I in party gag big land city. No, it's fine. Let me drive. No. I insist. Asizolwa. Asizolwa at all. I'm going to go and sit on that chair. Tibe passenger princess and we drive so chone by.
I mean, I feel like
his necks. The man in the center. Yonke London.
yeah.
And I also I extend the chat, ka Passenger Princess,
Yeah.
to a chat that's also saying certain guys with certain things, it becomes like, no, we'll never let you pay for the bill.
Yeah.
No, awuzokwazi unceda for usimoto wami car wash, you know what I mean?
Favorite kind of heroes. I love me a man.
Oh man, which sometimes Nyan, and I think we become sensitive about certain things simply because sometimes you've had a negative reaction to you saying, "But you are Kobe," then all of a sudden, now you're not. You know what I mean?
Jan kubisa mna
yeah.
ubani ba ndinxibe
Exactly.
i-Crocs namhlanje unxibelani i-Crocs.
Exactly. I think ultimately siyayifuna nathi singamajita lando something sometimes tenderness ethile.
But this is the thing, it depends on who you are. So also I can't treat all the men in my life with the same way because abanye they don't appreciate that.
Yes.
And Lona ufuna uba passenger princess, it's well within his right naye ba okay abe passenger princess ngezinye imini.
And I can't be wrong.
And I can't be wrong, honestly. I really don't. And so I feel like that thing was speaking to about why would a man want to be a passenger princess?
Yes.
And I think it's fine because udiniwe.
Because ungumntu.
Because life is long and oko ndiqhuba iveki yonke ngaske ndingaqhubi
And
namhlanje.
maybe andithanda uqhuba.
Yeah,
I understand.
maybe
It's just
andithanda
like it's a human thing ungathanda uqhuba.
100%. Look, I don't mind driving at all, which is why I do.
Yakuthanda?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, when we drove to Durban, I drove all the way there and I drove
Yeah.
all the way back.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
because I'm completely fine with doing that. Also, ndiyaboreka uba passenger princess.
Hlotyelwa ngale igani. Ubutlela kwipasi nasayini ububreka.
Ubrika for Yeah, I also think it's one of those things for me where I'm just like, I trust my driving.
Okay, interesting.
Maybe.
Nivile ke girls bezama neTalita.
And then basa driver Jani abafisi. But yeah, it might be a control thing as well for me. But it's also boring like to be just chilling.
Wenza ntoni uhleli utya snacks utshintsha ingoma.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And that's super boring and I don't like being bored. So I'd rather drive.
Yeah. I'd rather drive mna. I don't mind driving.
Yeah.
But I'd rather drive than money to kanivulela amanzi, kanigqithisela chips. Oh,
that's what a passenger princess does.
No, yeah, nanga.
So funeka ndithini as a driver? As a driver?
Apho ndizabala.
Ndivulele.
Ndingekho bozathini.
Ukona lo. Wale heli, ukona.
Yeah, kandivulela chips. Hayi ndibawela popcorns ngoku. Hwasha. Ina sulizandla. Oh, am I your helper?
Yeah, and I also think to avoid snacking because you end up just snacking so much on like a 6-hour trip, but you don't need to. Awulambanga, but umana nje uvula into ntoni umana. I'd rather be driving than being that person because those vules are chips and these
That's completely me. That's completely me. Then what's the next snack? What's the next snack?
I don't even. We didn't even take snacks on our way there. We didn't even buy snacks.
And so good to see.
No, I just think it was an oversight, honestly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I mean, really.
Yeah.
On the way back, we made sure we had snacks, but then but then you just end up eating too much. Yakani abantu abafuna uba passenger princess, whether they are men or women, babezizo.
Yes. I think now, but everyone can be a passenger princess, and I think the problem comes when ufuna uba passenger princess
Oko, yeah.
Unga understanding xa ungakwazi uba yiyo.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think guys have the right to choose to be a passenger princess in certain instances.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Okanye singayi. If awufuna ube yiyo. Big facts. No, I like that a lot.
Let's
kayifunda inde.
when the power of love, this is from one of the blings. I mean, they have been for the past 8 weeks. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Ugh. And currently, at the moment, the world knows zero peace.
When the power of love
overcomes the love of power.
Is bigger than the love of power.
Yeah.
Whoa. Do you think there's still an opportunity for that?
Not the way things are going.
I suppose on an individual basis.
On an individual
Yeah.
basis, yes, but like the way things are going, having power is the thing that is overcoming having love.
Yeah. And that's what is ruining even relationships and friendships.
Yeah. Oh,
Love of
because
power in terms of control here is correct.
Yeah.
And that's on a micro basis. The power of love. Yeah, because wow, this is a whole episode. Because I mean, if you look at love and its properties, it's a powerful thing.
It is a powerful thing in itself, yes.
Yeah.
But the way you use it
Love of
then
power.
determines what the outcome is.
Yes, correct.
The love of power is crazy. I mean, we've seen it. We've seen Donald.
No. I mean, and in literature, I always like to bring it down to an individual basis,
Yeah.
which we've seen it in ourselves.
Yeah.
When you are in control of something and how
Yeah.
you feel,
Yeah.
and certain things that we really, really try and control, as a small shell is sometimes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I think we've seen it there as well. And it just ruins things. It ruins things.
It really does. And now, as the person who opatwayo, you can feel ba hey andiphetwe
Yeah.
ngokwapha.
Kakbi.
Ewe. And that dynamic will ruin your experience
Yeah.
of whatever thing
Correct.
you're in.
Yeah, and now to born now, but can't love power now. I'm can born Bagzotini because this person seems to be having a hell of a lot more fun than I am.
Oh, well, the person
So-
in the powerful position always seems like they're having a
Yeah.
great time.
When a picture I can kwele, yeah, she like woo, woo. You know, like that. That's the picture I have in my head. Absolutely.
Yeah, but I feel like there's no hope for the world anymore.
Well, there's no hope for the world, but there's definitely hope for the individuals. I
100%.
always like to, and Uzanbonam I always like to.
Minimize it to
Yes.
personal.
Yeah, maiza
Ungabe
up,
ucinga
maiza up.
uDonald Trump,
My
cinga
is
wena.
up and ngamcinga wena because it's easy to focus on other people in the world as well and say, oh well, sifike kunje asangizolungisa. And then that also just doesn't help us in terms of being able to rectify on a micro level.
100%.
So thank you very much for that bling bling. We appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode. Dithatile le topic that is introducing a 5-2, but I feel like we also spoke about some quite important things.
No, 100%. Let us know what you think, obviously, as per usual. And we will always read your comments zenu.
Sure.
And then xa sibona uba i-comment yakho igqwesile.
Hayi ke ngoku.
I'm joking.
I say your pressure.
I'm joking. Don't
Okay.
forget, guys. Love each other and yourself.
Mark Fish. Mark Jacobs.